Got a wedding in your future? Do you need a cool looking photo slideshow? Hi, this is Les. Most likely, you stumbled here because of my popular video on the wedding game that was played at my son's 2017 wedding. This YouTube video has over 400,000 views 4 years later. Besides being father of the groom, I also provide professional free YouTube tech tutorials. My Power Up training videos focuses on Microsoft Office tools, but what is most relevant to you is the ability to create beautiful photo slideshow presentations like this wedding. If you've never used PowerPoint or have just basic skills, then you want to start with this tutorial on getting started with the PowerPoint photo album tool. It will guide you from having an empty canvas to a ready-to-run photo slideshow with very little effort. But if you want to create an exceptionally beautiful slideshow experience and you're willing to invest the needed time to craft a unique, one-of-a-kind experience, then check out this 30-minute tutorial. Our class project results in creating the spectacular slideshow that is being shown here. And as a bonus, this technique will work for not just weddings, but for bridal showers, birthdays, memorial services, or graduation parties. Anywhere you need to show off a collection of photographs. So let me be your guide to creating a more memorable event, all for free. Go power up now.